going somewhere. Hi guys. Daphne.
In 3.5 miles, turn left onto West Sunset Road.
The sandal. Who's the sandal?
The seatbelt.
She's driving for me. Las Vegas. Hi, Daphne. Daphne.
Jump! 1, 2, 3, jump!
Nang? We are here at Walmart. Yeah. First time at Walmart. Oh, it's open.
Prime for Zach.
May kailangan gamot ko.
Prime for Zach.
May kailangan mga gamot. Ayun yung para mas... Hindi na.
Doritos Dylan. Ouch.
What's that, Daphne?
Go get. Get ka na. Ay, naiya pa. Yan nga yung iniinom ni Zach. The blue. Picture kita. I will show it to Zach. Go. Sa Elsa. Oh, later. No. What's that?
You don't wanna go, Daphne?
You fine.
It's been a lot of food.
Okay, you go. Fine.
What's that? You want that?
Bye.
Pili ka muna.
You go down kasi. Daphne, go Dylan. Go look. Anywhere. I don't know if they have.
This one?
Ah, no.
No? This one?
Mura lang dito. Doble.
Another one that the bata.
Anong da bata?
One sa home.
Meron na daw siya.
Yung regalo natin dyan, ganun.
That one.
Okay. Oh, ito din daw sabi ni Tita Janine. Oh. Zach has like that, diba?
Yeah.
Oo, may ganyan na si Zach.
Yes, you want that.
Sonic Prime.
I want that. You want that one.
Let's go.
Mama, wait!
No.
Kala ko show lang.
Dito.
Yay, done. Dylan, come on.
Okay.
Jollibee.
Second day, Jollibee.
First day, McDo. Second day, Jollibee.
Oo, hiwalay.
Burger steak lang. Yan siya.
Here.
Hi! Hi, Zina!
Come here, Zina.
Hi!
Sit.
Release niya para hindi
Sit, Zina. Come on, sit down. Sit, baby. Come on, sit down.
Hi, Zina.
What happened to the eyes?
What?
to her eyes. It's blue eyes. Now she's excited. Here, I'm gonna calm her down. Excited.
Excited siya eh.
Ayan. Okay.
Yeah.
Zina.
If you guys ignore her, like.
Ayan na. Relax.
See, there she goes. Calm.
What happened to the eyes? Blue eyes siya. Yeah. Go. Do
Come
like
here.
that. Do like that. Do like that.
She's smiling, that's why. Tada! She's done. She's done. Is she?
Kiss. Kiss, Zina.
She's a nice teddy bear. Good doggy. Look, she's so happy.
Sit.
Yeah. She wants to play. Hi, we're going bye-bye. I don't know where are we going.
Sure.
Pasyal time. Hi. Thank you. Let's go, Casey.
Oh, lampas.
Daphne. Where are you? Hi. Where are you? Bus. Daphne. Let's go.
Alam mo ba, nakalimutan ko yung payong.
Ay, sa bus.
Kasi nagdadaan.
Hi. Tired? Dito ka. Yeah, Fashion Show Mall. We will go there. It's like SM in Las Vegas. We will buy Hello Kitty ice cream. Ice cream lang si Daphne. What's that? Daphne? Oh yes. Picture. Smile.
Hello Kitty ice cream.
Yeah, right there.
Wow.
Give one to ano.
What's this?
Enjoy your ice cream.
Ano? Spoon din.
Ito? Tignan mo.
This. This toy. Yuck. 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 How?
There, this one. Come on, let's go there.
This one.
Wow. Yummy? Ayaw po niya. Wow. Smile. This one. Show it. Show this one. Show it. Wow, smile. You eat na. You eat. Yummy? Ribbon. Yeah. Yummy? Mm. Two for 30. Hello Kitty. Pag Hello Kitty. Ito, I'll show it. The Skittle drink. There's a Skittle drinks. They're buying a candies. Bili ng candy. Let's go. Let's go, Dylan. Daphne, what's that? What's that?
Gummy bear. It's
See,
bigger.
show it. Show.
It's bigger.
It's bigger. There you go. Oh. So nice. Yeah, it's nice. Come on. Oh, here first. Wow. Sorry.
Look! Look!
Yeah. Hi. Go. Fine. Oh, it's so nice. Look. Wow. Wow. Picture Daphne. Dito, Daphne, come here. So nice. Picture. Where are you?
Hey,
Go.
okay.
Hotel. Hi, guys.
Hey guys.
Where are you?
I'm here.
No. At the back. Hotel.
No,
What's that? Lola?
no, you video me.
Ah, like this? I'll go.
Lola. My Lola and my friend Gracie.
Your cousin.
Yeah, and my another Lola. Lola. Oh, Lola pen.
That's a carpet.
Nice blanket and carpet.
Nice carpet.
Yeah.
Ganyan lang naman sa
Picture there. Oh, come on, let's go. Wow. There's a flower. You eating something? Your bangs. Smile. Nice. Make a wish. Okay, go. Okay. Oh, yay! Go! Show! Yay!
Other one.
Oops! Where? No more? There, go, go, Dylan, go. Go! No more. Oh.
Sit down.
We were going at the bus stop. Go! You look. And I will picture. Picture you. Hi. What are you doing? Saan ikaw punta?
Grocery.
Okay.
Meron pa dun.
May ano dyan minsan, pampisan.
Tayo.
Ayun, pampisan.
Ano ba lulutuin natin?
Oh.
Bibili ng lulutuin. Sigang na.
Yung sabaw.
Sabaw, no? Fruits.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Want that? No, this is full of good orange.
Each, no?
Sa kanya.
Kaya nga. Sa atin, 700 to.
The broccoli. Broccoli.
Wow.
There's another pumpkin.
What's that?
Pumpkin.
Yung papaya.
Isa lang Coke.
Ito may peras.
Saan? Na? Peras yan.
Saan na tayo?
Oh, hindi na kailangan magbalot ng lumpia. Frozen na dito. Ma-microwave mo na lang. O kaya, prito pala. Prito mo na lang. Oh, hindi mo na kailangan magbalat. Magsisigang kami. Tignan mo naman yung sili pang sigang. Ang laki. Come on. Oh, tignan mo naman. Paano ka mag-aano nito? Pag nagnilaga ka nito. Ang laki. Oh. Ang laki. What's that?
A monkey.
Who's that?
A Lolo.
Who's that?
Lolo.
Lolo what?
Lolo Lola.
Let's drive.
Mama.
Okay, ano?
It's like SM.
It's like SM.
Wala. Wala stroller.
Hindi mo na siya mawahin. Tignan mo yung lakad niya. Why are you walking like that?
Like
Penguin.
like a princess.
Ah, like a princess.
In skirt.
Pili toys, si Dylan's. How much? How much?
649.
Okay. Let's go. Saan? What's that?
Car.
Car?
Oo, di naman nagkukasya dito.
Hindi naman kasha.
Yeah.
Dapat diet. This one, no?
Di ba naman na Barbie?
No.
Tsaka LOL.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Will let you stay.